Okay, this is the beginning, phase one. The first video that I did was at the lathe, but it was too long for an email, so I can't send it to you. But anyway, what I did was these two pieces, I was describing on the email how I made them, and I made them in one piece like this. This was one piece on the lathe, and I did all this, and now they're separate, and they're going to wind up being next to that. They fit perfect. They look good. I'm happy with them. Okay, I'll send this off to you. Bye.